Good, wonderful morning, everybody. We were going to go for a walk down the West Creek, but I think that's too far for, excuse me, for me. I don't have the lung capacity still for going long walks. They've cleared this spot for something. And they're doing a lot of road works, and I thought it was just they ripped up the median strip all the way along Ruthven Road, and I thought, oh yeah, just redoing it, putting in spots where people can walk and all that sort of stuff, making it easier to cross the road, because there's not many places. You have to actually just cross the road wherever you can. And as you can see, it's a very busy road for playing Frogger. Especially with the amount of old age residences that are around. Magpie. Yeah, thank you for pointing it out, sweetie. There's a magpie there. But I wonder if they're actually widening it. And they're doing something on the other side. So it's like a dedicated lane, maybe. It's hard to tell from here. But maybe they're doing a dedicated cycle lane. Because at the moment the cycle lane is just in the parking area, parking bays. So if there's a car there parked, it forces you into the main line of traffic. It's not a fast area. It's only 60 kilometres an hour, so it's just standard residential street speeds. But where that tractor is, it's definitely lower than the tarmac. You can tell by the front tyre on it. So there's actually concrete there. So they actually haven't widened the road, or they might have widened it for the by using the parking lane, stopping lane. That was there, and then they've moved everything further west. And she's pulling me all over the place. She says, Dad, this is my walk. Stop yabbling. Just do. Do what I want you to do, Dad. Chase magpies, Dad. Run through bushes, Dad. I think it's going to be another warm one today. It was really warm yesterday. So she just wanted to keep on walking, and I said nope, we're not going to keep on walking. It was just too hot. Well, we'll see you later, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Take care, and we'll see you later.